Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. Here is the data of AR Trader Private Limited sales report, and date, product, unit price, quantity and amount are given. And I want to calculate the total amount of particular product monitor. For example, which quantity are greater than 25, then SUMIFS function is better option for multiple criteria. There are two criteria here, product and quantity. I will remove this formula and I will calculate this formula here. Just type is equal to and SUMIFS bracket, press tab key for it will ask you some range. I want to calculate the total amount. Just select the range of the amount, type comma and criteria range. What is the criteria? Criteria is product. Where is the product? Here is a product. I will select all the product range and comma, and here is a criteria. What is the criteria? Here this cell is a criteria for my formula. Criteria 1. I will select this cell and comma, it will ask you criteria range 2. Where is the criteria 2? Criteria 2 is quantity. Just select the quantity cell and type comma, and it will ask you where is the criteria. Criteria is greater than 25, and close the bracket and press enter. It will display 3,50,000 amount of monitor. Let's see, monitor amount here is at 2,25,000 and here is a 90,000. 3,25,000 is the total amount. If I type here, just I type the mouse, it will display none of the amount. Why? Because the quantity is less than 25 and I will the criteria is greater than 25. And if I type CPU, and it will display the amount of CPU, total amount of CPU, 1,50,000. If I type mouse here again, and I just select the criteria is greater than 10, it will display the amount. The criteria is greater than, quantity is greater than 10, then it will display the amount. Calculate the total amount. If I type here mouse, and here is a amount is added here and total amount is 93,000. You can see here 3,000 and 90,000. Now you can understand what SUMIFS function do. Hope this tutorial is very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.